Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to map custom macros in BlueStacks 5 for mobile gaming. Alright guys, so just go ahead and open up some kind of game. For example, I'll just open up this one. Okay, and now guys, for you to know, so in order to start using your macros, you need to go and open up its interface first. So interface for the macros. So if you want to go and open up the macro manager, just click Control, Shift, and 7 like this. And now guys, as you can see, we'll have this little window appear where you can create your macros and then of course use them. So in order to begin guys, you just press on record macro right here. And then as you can see, you can just press any buttons that you want to record into the macro, then press here. And as you can see, now we have this macro. And what do we have here? So there are different settings, of course, in here. How many times you want to repeat this action for? Maybe you want to, use a duration infinitely until stopped. Also intervals between the execution. So everything can be set up here. And also, if you want to test it out, you can also press on this play button and you will get the same buttons pressed, just like you've pressed them during the recording of this macro. All right, and I just went ahead and turned on my macro and now it's running at all the time in the screen. So as you can see, it's stopped now because I've set it to not continue. As you can see, I just repeat the action once. So there you have it, guys. Control Shift 7 and set up your macros here. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate that, and thank you for watching again.